Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice, and on today's video we're going to review this paint your own fairy garden, and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna do this video with the kids help, and here's us trying to open the box. The fairy garden comes with two plaster fairies and one plaster fairy house. It also comes with 12 paint pots and one paintbrush. So here are the kids fighting over who is going to paint what. So as you can see, it comes with one plaster fairy house and two plaster fairies. So I just let the kids do this DIY while I was recording this, and they wanted to paint it as exactly what's on the box. So this is my one of the fairy that is being painted, and so far so good, looking nice and pretty. I think they did a good job on this one. So this fairy garden is not suitable for children under 36 months because might contain small parts which can be a choking hazard to them. And here is the fairy house being painted. They're painting the exact picture that is in the box on this fairy garden. We also had this plaster lying around, so I let my little one to do some painting, and it was one of a ladybug and another one for a moth or dragonfly or butterfly. I can't really tell. So this is the finished product of these ones. As you can see, they've been painted over and over again. But yeah, he was out, he had fun, and that's what matters. So yeah, there it is. There is a finished product of what they did, and I think they did a great job. As you can see from the background, how the little fairy looks pretty much like what's on the picture, and also the fairy house looks like what's on the box. So yeah, I'm well pleased with what they did. So yeah, do let us know if you're gonna try these. Fairy garden is a great activity to do with the kids, as they love it, especially if your kids enjoy painting. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.